I'll probably give you a little break there from the 2E26 transmitter for this video, and figured I go have a little video on these little insulators that were donated to me by Aaron, VO1 India Victor. A few years ago, here locally, here in St. John's, an AM broadcast station, or transmitter site I should say, apparently had suffered a lightning strike, or just across the road caused a lightning strike to a substation, and anyway the neutral ended up crossing over something, or must have been over the high voltage, whatever. Anyway, it ended up in the transmitter and fried everything in the transmitter as well. And this is a lot of some of these are the insulators from the transmitter site, so I've been said, since I'm told, which is pretty cool. And just like to say thank you to Aaron for the insulators. I'm sure I'll find a use for them eventually, for sure. But this one here, this one's actually pretty cool. You see, I guess that's from the spark from the lightning. And the end of the bolt is actually melted, fused, I guess burned off from whatever it was attached to. I guess the main RF output, I suppose, insulator. And then we got this big brute right here. Nice brass ends on it. The insulator itself doesn't seem to have any damage to it that I can see. It just needs a bit of a cleaning up, but there's no damage to this insulator. This one anyways. He says these are about 5 kilovolts each per ring. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. That's 50 kilovolts, 50,000 volts. Apparently this insulator can handle. That's a lot of power, man. And then we've got these ones here. Looks like they came off of a ladder line. I'm not sure if maybe that was used inside the transmitter or not. The transmitter to the outputs. I have no idea. Or they're just extra insulators. I'm not sure, to be quite honest with you. But they are for ladder line for sure. And then we've got all these other insulators here. These two here appear to be made of Teflon. These ones. But the rest of what you're looking at here is all ceramic. So we got a couple nice ones. Couple decent ones here. Turn on. I'm trying to have my light on. There we go. Now you can see it. Couple insulators. These all came from the transmitter site, using different parts of the transmitter. But I believe you said these here might have come off of the roller inductor, an old roller inductor. I think that's pretty much what that's from. I don't know 100%, but these are pretty nifty insulators, I gotta say. Very cool insulators. That one there got a chip in it, unfortunately. I'll probably still use it for low voltage stuff. This one here, a bell insulator. This one's starting to show its age. It's getting got a few surface cracks on it. So that one, if it was in a transmitter site, that one would probably more than likely be retired, just because it is damaged. But it's pretty cool though. All these insulators are pretty nifty. And this This is some, my son, this is some high power stuff. High power wattage floating through all of this. I thought it'd be pretty cool to do a little video on it. NL523W01-012. Two of them there. Some of these got part numbers on them, and a lot of them don't. I think it's pretty cool. Pretty cool. No insulators. Some high wattage stuff there for sure. Hey Aaron, thanks for the insulators, buddy. Sure we'll put them for use somewhere along the lines. Alright folks, just a little video there on these insulators. All the best, 7-3, and we'll catch you in a bit. Man, oh man, oh man. What current had to be flown through to melt that? Wicked. Burned off. That's some serious voltage. Crazy. Anyway, all the best.